This challenge is very, very interesting. I've challenged ChatGPT to create me a Gantt chart from the data of a given project. I prepared a set of data in a CSV file. To be able to compare how good is ChatGPT, I extracted those data from an existing project in msproject. The result is surprisingly good. It's what you see just behind me. It's Christian from Vision 6D. For me, it's always a pleasure to share some of my knowledge to level up your skills. I train and I consult for companies. To get this result with ChatGPT, I worked with Advanced Data Analytics. The process we are following is called ETL, extract, transform, and load, and this is well known by data analysts. The first line of the extracted file is the header of the different columns, in which we see the name of the task, duration, start date, finish date, resources, and I have also the work and costs. The duration column will need some transformations, since we have some values which are day, some others days, some are weeks, some are months. In my first prompt, I asked to transform the duration to something that is the same unit, and I also asked to remove the time from the date. I let the AI know that NaN values are non-applicable and that weekends are non-working days. To give time to the AI and check its understanding of the project, I asked two questions. Can you tell me what the project is about? And give me the number of activities, the start and finish date of the project. After adjusting the format for reading the characters, the AI is able to tell me that this project is composed of 34 activities. The start date is the 17th April and the end date is the 2nd of October. Based on the activities, the AI is also able to tell me that it is the installation of a CRM system. This is really interesting to notice how the tool is capable of interpreting the data. For me, as a project manager, this opens me new perspectives. I'm using a second prompt to continue the validation of the data by asking it to restitute me all the data in a table format. In the third prompt, I asked it to check that it has all information to generate a Gantt. And you see that it is absolutely satisfied and able to generate. So this is it. This is the moment when we generate the Gantt. I've done it in several steps, and here I'm just showing one step in which I asked it to redo it to change the order of the activities. In order to compare the result, I have here on your left side the diagram that I get in msproject, and on the right the diagram, the Gantt chart that I got from ChatGPT. So we can say that concerning the task names, their duration, start date, end date, it is exactly the same in the two representations. Going through several iterations, I've also added those red diamonds that are representing the milestones, that is to say the events of 0-day duration. We see that in the generated Gantt chart, they are also represented. One thing that I haven't represented are the relations between tasks, that is to say the relations between predecessors and successors. Now, what I can say is that this representation is really interesting and is really something usable. Advanced data analytics is really opening for us project managers new perspectives. And to illustrate this, I have asked ChatGPT to extract for each resource the different tasks the resource will have to perform in the project. This challenge, I must say that the result is really positive. This was an eye-opener on how our profession, project manager, is going to evolve and is currently evolving. For me, it's always a pleasure to share some of my experiment, and I'm eager to see yours and to have your feedback. See you soon in another module. Bye-bye.